So this is the question number 15 from 2023 midterm evaluation paper, and this question comes under the topic basics of Python. So in this particular question, it has been asked out of the given four options, which one these terms lies into. Okay, so false, else and past refers to your keywords in Python. But I want to take your 1 minute and I want you to show कि हमारे पास total 33 keywords है, and I want you to remember these 33 keywords so that आपको एक आइडिया लगे कि कीवर्ड्स होते क्या है पाइथन के अंदर, देन इनको आप एज आइडेंटिफायर भी यूज नहीं कर सकते. Hence for this one, option number B is the correct one. Now based on the similar concept, we have a practice question for you. You need to answer this one in comment box, what will be the right answer for this one. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.